In a historic move, US's Congressman Pete Sessions and Chairwoman Elise Stefanik declared the inauguration of the Congressional Hindu Caucus. They said that its formation is aimed at safeguarding the interests of the Hindu American community and addressing their concerns in the United States Congress. The caucus, originally established during the 115th Congress, has been praised for its role in fostering vital connection between the Hindu American community and policymakers. The lawmakers issued a joint media release stating that the creation of the Congressional Hindu Caucus represents a significant milestone in recognizing and amplifying the voice of the Hindu American community in the nation's capital. Pete Sessions said that the US Congress is committed to addressing the concerns of the Hindu American community, celebrating their contributions, and ensuring their perspectives are heard at the highest levels of government. As per reports, under the leadership of Congressman Pete Sessions and the chairwoman Elise Stefanik, the caucus is dedicated to representing the values that are significant to the Hindu American community. It embodies a diverse coalition representing Hindus from various countries including India, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Pakistan, Afghanistan, the UK, and the Netherlands. But it's not just limited to Hindus. The caucus includes members of other faiths with Indian origins such as Sikhs, Jains, and Buddhists. According to the lawmakers, the Congressional Hindu Caucus advocates for free enterprise, limited government, fiscal discipline, strong family values, and a robust foreign policy stance against authoritarian regimes. Elise Stefanik said that the caucus is a diverse coalition that includes members from various countries and faiths. This proactive approach is expected not only to strengthen the Hindu American presence in Washington, but also to enhance its influence in shaping a more representative and diverse nation. Alongside Congressman Sessions and Chairwoman Stefanik, the caucus includes members like Congressman Andy Biggs, among others. The inauguration of the Congressional Hindu Caucus marks a new chapter in the representation of religious minorities in the US Congress.